going on? You are watching this video because you want to know how to do a body weight squat. This exercise contains no weight. You don't need any weight. You could do this at your house. You could do this at your job, on the go, wherever you want, in public, anywhere. I'm going to show you how to properly do the body weight squat. So first, you want to be shoulder width apart, of course. What I do is I like to put my hands together like this, or you can do it like this, with your arms just flat out. But I like to do it like this, and you want to get shoulder width apart and squat down and up. I'll do that again. Squat down and up. And make sure that you really good form when you're going down. So you want to go down and up. And you want to always keep your back straight. You never want to go like this or a hunchback or anything like that. Always straight, good posture, high posture, looking up and down. And guys, that right there is how you do a body weight squat. Really simple. If this was very helpful, leave a like. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.